Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu Chinese shopping app or Idlefish Chinese shopping app. If you have been using Idlefish or Xianyu Chinese shopping app to source and ship products from China for a very long time, or you are new to Idlefish Chinese shopping app, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how you can easily identify a genuine seller or how you can spot a genuine seller on Xianyu Chinese shopping app without any stress. I have received a lot of messages about this particular issue on my WhatsApp, and I decided to make a video about it so everyone that are using Xianyu Chinese shopping app to source and ship product from China can be aware of how easily to spot or to easily identify genuine or legit seller on Xianyu Chinese shopping app, and how best you can do your due diligence when you are trying to source and ship product from China using Xianyu Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 168, Tauba, Pinduoduo, or IDPage, or you want me to pay a supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said, how you can easily identify a genuine seller on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to go ahead and simply search for a random product using the search bar right here. So for that, I will click on the search bar right here. Okay, let's quickly search for iPhone 14 Pro Max. iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let's search for that. Okay, now we have different results as far as this is concerned. Now, when you are searching, you have multiple results from different stores. Okay, now how can you easily identify a verified seller among some of the results you have right here? There are so many ways by which you can use to do that. One of them is that just go ahead and click on the store link. Like for instance, I'm going to use a particular store right here. So take a look at this particular store right here. So I'm going to use this store as an example. So I'm going to simply click on the product link. So when you click on the product link, it takes you right here. So you can even see this seller here. And now for easy identification of a genuine seller on Xianyu without even stressing yourself, always look at this particular badge right here. You can see this seller here is a level 7 seller. Now, for a further investigation about the seller, go ahead and click on their store link right here, and it will take you to their page. Okay, once you get to their page, you see more information about them, and you still have the badge of the level right here. These are one of the trusted and reliable sellers that have been traded on, that have been said different things on Xianyu in the past. Scroll down and check on some of their listed in right here. They are new listed, and at the same time, you can see their rating right here, which is 99. 99 is still good. So you can also click on here, and then you can also click on here to check more detail right here. So these are previous sold items. Okay, you can scroll down right here and check out some of the things they have been sold in the past. The more you scroll down, the more you see right here. However, this is depends on the number of the items they have sold so far as this particular section is concerned. Just like so. So you can also click on here to check rating from the store right here. So let's find out some of the rating right here. So these are the previous buyer rating right here. So the more you scroll down, the more you see a lot of ratings right here. You can easily translate this part. That will give you a kind of fully understanding of what this rating is all about. Take a look at this. This buyer also upload the product picture when they deliver. You can see it right there. So these are important things you need to take into consideration before you can have a fully trust about a particular store. So if you buy from any of this type of store, you are sure of having a rest of mind. You can also check on what people have to say about them. Check it out right here. So click on it. About 893 people here have to say something about the store. So you can imagine what 890 something people have to say about you So that will give you a kind of confidence that this particular store here is legit. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to source and ship products from China using Xianyu Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idofish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.